Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So BONK is making some few good progress right now. If you look on the smaller time frame, I do notice that you have the prices down and you have the RSI moving up like this, and then you have nice good bullish divergence. This is much more clear if you dive on the 1 hour time frame how much buying activity has been going on lately. So you've moved down and you've moved up like this in the RSI. That's pretty sweet. Now the thing is that I do see one good positive thing about BONK, and that is if I do zoom out of here, we have a potential demand box. So for example, if I take one good rectangle right now, I think it's gonna be somewhere right over here, rectangle, and if I drop that rectangle like this, then this is a nice good demand box. So if you notice, for so many times you touched it here and you move up, you move to the outside, you touch it right there, you move up again, you've touched it here, you moved up, touch it there, you moved up, and you're touching that same demand box one more time. So this could actually be another good entry opportunity, but keep in mind now that there is another twist in the game, and that is upper resistance that goes and looks something like that. Okay, so one may say that you are printing in a very big potential descending triangle, and I do remember telling you one descending triangle back in the days, which was this right over here. You broke above and you went to the technical target. You didn't really break to the downside, and I remember talking about it again and again. And you still have another one here with the time until 20 of April. So 20 of April, that's actually interesting. And 20 of April 204. I've actually been having a conversation with someone lately, and there's a member who's telling me a lot of things. So 24 number, 204 number. I don't know if it's actually um, it's not connected with any Illuminati, but guys, 204 has a lot to do with crypto. Okay, 204 has a lot to do with crypto. Anyways, it's a little bit of another topic for conversation for another time, I guess. But the thing is, break above, you move back up, break below, and your technical target is going to be from there to there, and you could be looking at a target of 918. So let's hope that we do break above and we continue the rally just as we did before. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.